Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss on how to take the log value for two numbers multiplication. Okay, so for simple calculation I am going to do, for example, 8 into 4. So 8 into 4, 32. So this value going to take by using the log. Okay, how to take the log? So the procedure. The first idea, first you want to write the log for 8. So the log value of 8. Okay, so this is actually 8, that means 8.0, that is 8. So before the decimal only one number is there, so you want to write first 0 point, like that. Next log 4, here also like that 0 point. So now you want to see log value for 8. Okay, let's see the log book now. Okay, in the log book we want to observe in the 80. Actually starting from 10, okay, end with 54, and next page starting from 55 end with 99. So we want to see 80 la 0, so that value is 9031. so that value right here 9031. Next log value for 4, that means 40. Okay, so please listen, the 40 6021 6021. Now we want to add these two value. So 2 5 0 9 plus 6, that is 15. So 5 here 1. Okay, so we want to find anti-log for this value. So anti-log of 1.5052. First the procedure. Here before the decimal number 1 is there, that means we want to write 10 power 1. Here 1 means 10 power 1. Suppose here 2 means 10 power 2. Here 4 means 10 power 4, like that. Here 1 is there, so I can write 10 power 1. Then in all the problems, well, to find the anti-log you want to add 10 power 1 always. Okay, because already here before the decimal single 1 point means we want to add 0. Before the decimal 2 point means we want to add 1. Before the decimal 4 digit means you want to write 3. அப்போ இங்கே ஒரு டெசிமல் கம்மியாக எழுதணும் இல்லையா, ஸோ அதை பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக இங்கே 10 பவர் 1 என்ன பண்ணுவோம், சேர்த்திக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் வி வாண்ட் டு ஃபைண்ட் ஆன்டிலாக் வேல்யூ ஃபார் 0.50ல் 52. 0.50ல் 5ங்கிற வேல்யூவில் 2ங்கிற மீன் டிஃபரன்ஸ். Shall we see now? Yes, anti-log. So let's we take the anti-log part. So anti-log part. So now this is the anti-log part. In anti-log la 0.50. So 0.50 in the next page. See that 0.50. 0.50 la 5. 0.50 la 5. 5 engana 3199. 0.3199. 0.50 la 5, that is 0.3199. Next mean difference is 2. Mean difference 2 value, that is 1. So we want to add this 1 here. So this is 3199 plus 1, that is 3200. So 0.3200. So this value I can write here. What is that? 0.3200. Okay, so now 0.3200 into 10 power 1, 10 power 1, we can write 10 power 2. 10 power 2 is nothing but 100. So we want to multiple with 100. This value multiple with 100. So I can write as, that is 100 and now 2 decimal இங்க வந்துருமா ஃப்ரண்ட்ல வருமா, so we can get 32. So 32 is the answer. So 8 into 4 32 we can find by using the log calculation. Okay, simply I said first directly you can write before the decimal. 8 means 8.0, 4 means 4.0. So before the decimal single digit is there, so you want to write 0. Here also same thing. So now directly note log value 8 value, log value 4 value, then add. Then after that we can get the, we are going to find the anti-log value. For this anti-log value, initially before the decimal 1 is there, so you want to write 10 power 1. Then all the problems, any problems, for to find the anti-log we want to add 10 power 1 here, multiple with the 10 power 1 here. After that 0.5052 ku we want to find the anti-log value. Okay, so that anti-log value I found here, that is 0.3200, 0.3200. So 10 power 1, 10 power 1, that is 10 power 2 is 100. So multiple with 100 I can get 32. Okay, so this is the way to find and log value for given value for the calculation by using the multiplications. Okay, so 8 into 4 32, the same value we found by using the log. Okay, thank you.